guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to tell you about a new offer that VineOh has for you guys. Do you want to know what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this box just arrived. VineOh did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, this is not their normal seasonal box. No. This is a limited edition free summer offer box. That's right. This box you can get absolutely free of charge. All you have to do is pay 99 cents for shipping. That is it. 99 cents to ship this big old heavy box. There's going to be 3 full-size items. I will show you what's inside, and 1 full-size premium California bottle of wine. Accepting this offer will sign you up to a normal seasonal box. It's only 1 box commitment to get that offer. So you will get this box again for free, only paying $99. You will then receive the next seasonal box at $64.99. And then at that point, you can cancel at any time, or you can keep your subscription for as long as you would like. The great thing about having their subscription is if you do have it and you want to send a box to somebody else instead of yourself, you can go in between seasons. You can go in your account and change the address. As long as it's a United States address, they can ship it to another person for you. So if you know somebody that's having a birthday, an anniversary, or just because, you can go and change it. So then the next box will be sent to them, go back in, change it, send it back to you, to somebody else for the next box, whatever you would like to do. But I like that you have the flexibility of changing the shipping address in between seasons. So again, you can sign up. You're only doing 1 box commitment. You get this box completely free, only paying 99 cents. And you know, I don't know where you can ship anything for 99 cents, especially this big old box that's heavy with a bottle of wine in it. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what's inside. And if you would like to sign up, the link will be down below. They did this one other time and the box was really good. This one is now their new summer themed box. So let's see what we have. And I'm so excited to see what's in here. So when we first open it up, you do have the goods box right on top. This is how like the seasonal box comes too. All of the lifestyle items would be inside of this box here. It's a tight fit. The way that they package this is genius. Nothing comes broken, nothing comes damaged, but it's a tight fit. They have it down to a science. Okay, so again, this box here will have all of the lifestyle items in it. Your normal subscription box will have 2 bottles down here. Well, right now you get the 1 free bottle for this free box. So normal boxes will have 2 bottles down here. This one will have the 1, so your wine is in here. Let's open this up and see which bottle we have. Now, when you do sign up for this, another great thing about the wine, you get to choose the type of wine you prefer. You can pick if you want reds, whites, a mixture of red and white, or if you would like sweets. I go ahead and tell them red and white because that's the best of both worlds. For my man, for me, whichever, we will end up drinking everything that we get in the box. So mine came with this Mad Love 2019 Pinot Grigio California wine. Ooh. Again, all of their wine is so good. And this is the size bottles that they come in. So there's your bottle. Now we're gonna have 3 full-size items down inside of this box here. When you open it up, that is what it looks like. Ooh, definitely summer. Okay, so let's see. There's not the little brochure that tells me how much everything is, but I know when they sent me the email, it did show me the amounts. I just tried not to pay attention to what it was because I wanted to be surprised when I opened it. But as I show you the items, I will then put underneath what the retail value is for it, because I do know that is in my email, so I can get that price for you. So let's just go with the first thing that I'm seeing right on top, and it is a jewelry item. Look at that. This is very summertime, like for the style. And it says Annie Austin is the brand. Those are super pretty though. Look here, let me put that back down a little more so they're both the same. And that is what they look like. They would dangle, perfect size. Again, super summery. That would be great if you were just going out on a casual night. These would look cute, or it will match with your summer attire. So there is the pair of earrings. Next, it says a chairware, perfect for the beach and pool. Okay, so it's a stylish portable chair accessory with a hidden zipper pocket to keep your valuables secure. Fits most lounge chairs, easy to personalize, quick dry microfiber fabric. Let's remove the plastic. So that's what I was seeing. Like, you can see them on the different types of like beach chairs. Ooh, this feels so soft. It says quick dry microfiber. That would be good, especially if you lean back. If your hair is wet, it will help dry your hair. And then there's that. And there's that. So that's how wide it is. So that will definitely fit over a lot of different size chairs if they're smaller or if they are wider. If you don't want to use this for a chair, I mean, I'm sure you could just use this as like a laundry bag or put like your swim attire in it, so you can put all your wet stuff in here and carry it home, because it looks like you can just close it like a drawstring and use it like a little bag if you wanted to, or use it as it's intended and put it over beach chairs. And there's that. Then you know which one is yours too. If there's a lot of chairs lined up, you'll know which one is yours by the color. That is really neat. So the hidden pocket was really hidden that I did not even notice it in the video. And then I saw, oh, here it is. So you do have a zipper pocket that will open up this corner that you can store a few little things in, or your valuables, that kind of thing. So you do have this little zipper pocket right tucked inside of there. So you have that to put on any type of a beach chair or use however you would like for anything else. But that is really neat, and it's so soft. Very soft. Now the last item in here, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Let me remove the plastic. This is so cute. It says my tote bag, and then, oh, and it even has a zipper. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. There's so many different bags that I get like this that are like reusable totes, and they're just like a complete opening. So if you toss this down and it happens to fall over, your stuff could roll out. I like that this has the zipper, so none of your stuff is going to roll out. And this print is just simply adorable. Do you see that? How cute is that? That is so summery. I love the flamingos, the watermelon, the pineapples. That is so cute. Let's open it and see if there's another little pocket inside or anything, or if it's just solid. Oh, there is. Okay, so on this side, you do have like a drop down where you can toss like your phone, your keys, something like that, to where you can get to easily. The whole inside is actually lined with that liner. That is so nice. I am super impressed that it has a full zipper, and that pattern is just simply adorable. So that is everything that you get in this Oh Try Me free summer box. You have this adorable large tote bag. Definitely good to toss all of your beach or summer essentials. If you go to the grocery store, put your groceries in it. Leave it in your car if you ever do need to toss things. Like, this can be used for so many different things. And I love how large and the size of it. The bottom, look how thick. I just really am impressed with this bag. Then you have this that can go over your lounge chairs or use as a laundry bag or whatever you would like. It's super soft. You have this pair of earrings, and then you have a full bottle of wine. Oh my gosh, you guys, all of this stuff you can get for only 99 cents. And I do believe it had a $115 value or higher, probably based on what type of wine is included, but at least $115 for all of these products. If you want to check them out and start with the starter box, paying only 99 cents, the link will be below. You can follow that and start with this amazing summer starter box. Super summery, very well themed, I think. What do you guys think? Comment down below and let me know, what do you think of the items that they put in here? What do you think of this free starter box? What do you think of VineOh? Comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.